Here's why Walt Disney was fired for being uncreative and Madonna was fired from Dunkin Donuts. Today's confidence hack comes through understanding that you can gain a lot of confidence through being rejected. This is confidence hack number 41 of 365 throughout the year. If you want this email in your inbox every morning to start your day off on the right confident foot, go to davidnurse.com and sign up for free. Walt Disney World. You heard of it? You're living on Mars if you have not. Well, did you know how Walt Disney came to be? Not an instant success of a great idea or a surefire talent. Nope. The exact diametrical opposite. Walt Disney is a walking billboard of rejection. When Walt was 18 years old, the young, ambitious creator was fired from one of the first jobs that he had in animation as at the Kansas City Star in 1919. The reason given, he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. That's Walt Disney we're talking about. Pure rejection. And things didn't get any smoother from there on out. Walt bounced back and started an animation studio called Laugh-O-Gram Studio. This would surely be his breakthrough, but it wasn't. Walt went bankrupt in 1923 before any of his cartoons were released. Another rejection, and more rejection, and more, and some more rejection for Walt. Despite his numerous rejections, Walt never gave up on his dream. And of course, the rest is history and why the most magical place on earth exists today. Walt was asked later in his life that this rejection early on in his career slowed him down, and his answer was not one bit. Walt knew there was confidence to be gained through rejection. He embodied the confidence hack of the day by using confidence not as a deterrent, confidence through rejection, not as a deterrent, but as a fuel igniter. And you can do the same as well. Think about when the last time you rejected was. Did it break you or did it ultimately make you? And that right there is a massive difference in the people who can quote their quote unquote successful versus the ones who had never accomplished their dreams. Can you gain increased confidence through the fuel of rejection? Ask yourself that. Honestly, ask yourself that. So gain confidence today in knowing that rejection only makes you stronger, and gain an extra boost of confidence today by doing a quick Google search of 15 people who were fired before they became filthy rich. Do that exact Google search. Your mind will be blown. Did you know Madonna was fired from Dunkin Donuts early? And she was apparently squirting jelly at a customer. Or Robert Redford was fired from his manual labor job for being lazy, sloppy. Or Oprah being fired from her first newscasting job in Baltimore TV due to being unfit for television news. Yeah, the list goes on and on. Rejection is a fuel igniter of confidence, but only if you choose it to be.